Hi, I'm Katie from WTI. Have you been looking for a stroller that is easy to open and close, easy to push around, and lightweight? Well, then you have found it because this is the Mini ELFing 2 by HaShow, and it checks all of those boxes. I could not believe how easy it was to set up and pull down, and it's only 15 pounds, so I can carry it around with one hand. It also moves around so smoothly. It is winter here, so I haven't really used it outside very much other than from the car to the building, but this is perfect if you're someone who lives in a city and is going to do a lot of mall walking or a lot of shopping. This has so many added features that have really made it a keeper in my book. The handle is adjustable by height. It has 3 different positions. I'm 5'5". I prefer the middle position. It also has wheels that are so easy to clip in and clip out. But as I said before, it's winter here, and so if I am pushing the baby outside, it gets salt and dirt and muck all over the wheels, so I can easily remove the wheels and rinse them off in the sink. The straps are adjustable, as you can see here, and it is a 5-point harness that is not as difficult to use as it at first looks. The stroller has been so much fun to use and so easy. I am in love with it, and that's my point of view.